And now we're gonna just work on how to develop speed in your striking. And we're gonna focus on hand techniques now, whether it's a jab, a cross, or a lead finger jab to the eyes. So a lot of people think speed comes from lifting weights, different training methods. Actually, it's a lot more simple than that. For one, it's about attacking with the most direct line, and that is center line. Center line is my spine projected forward, right out here. I know it doesn't seem like it when I'm standing here, but a lot of people strike here, offline. They'll line up and they'll strike here, as opposed to here. That is one of the most important things. Here. So say if I'm doing a lead finger jab to the eyes. Another really important thing is when I strike to retract my shoulder and my hip and my center and everything. My center is located right here. I'm moving from here. Okay, the retraction is just important. You'll see so many people strike and they do this out fast, and then this is slow coming back, as opposed to in and out quickly. This here. So I'm pushing off and then my hip comes right back. This is one of the main mistakes I see people making. It's punching and leaving it out there. This is super dangerous. If I'm standing orthodox and I throw it out there and bring it back slow, they're gonna come with the right hand right over the top. This is one of the most common things you see. So let's go with the jab now. Center line, spine projected forward. There it is. You can see right on here that I'm center line. I'm not out here, I'm here. And the retraction is super important. So as I'm here, right back. Now, this is one of the most important things, and it's staying relaxed. The individuals I have the hardest training are like big muscle-bound bodybuilder types, okay? Because what's happening is they're very stiff. They're trying to power through it, and you can't do that. One of the reasons Muhammad Ali was so good is because he was so relaxed. So for a jab, center line, relaxed, hips, shoulder, and retract. Relax. This has to come right back. No tension in my shoulders, my arms. It's like a whip at the end. Here I am. Okay, let's see from the side. Right jab. Center line, relaxed, moving from my shoulder, from my center, everything, and then retract. These are the three main points. Center line. This creates the most direct line to your opponent. Not out here, here. Staying very relaxed. Stiff strikes don't get you any speed or power for that matter. You're losing a lot of momentum. And then retracting. Right back. Retracting, right back. Center line, relaxed, and retracting our strikes quickly. Again, this is a huge thing I see with crosses. People cross and then bring it back slow. Very dangerous. Hopefully this has been very informative to help you develop speed, because people try to develop speed all sorts of ways, and a lot of times it's just common mechanical errors that they're making. And we're gonna work on this a lot more. This is just kind of touching on different speed techniques.